Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the artist model GSO14 7 guitar rack. I was running out of space for storing my guitars, so I decided to invest in a decent guitar rack. I came across some cheaper racks out there, but the design seemed poor, with small tack welds on the joints that didn't look like they would last. So one thing I wanted to make sure of was that the joints were sturdy and secure. This rack is the best value that I could find, and one with plenty of 5-star reviews to read over. I only paid $60, which is pretty decent considering the materials and quality build. These racks come in models that hold up to 7, 5 and 3 guitars. The materials of this rack consist of metal tubing, rubber floor stoppers, heavy-duty plastic screw knobs, and 6mm foam protective padding, which you could easily replace in time if you needed to. The rack feels strong and looks like it's going to last for quite some time. It's also very easy to put together, comes with a clear basic instruction manual and an Allen key. The rack is lightweight, easy to carry and able to be folded with just one pull out of the linch pin. The dimensions on this 7 guitar rack are 80 centimeters in length, 54 centimeters in width, and 67 centimeters in height. 7 electric guitars would fit perfectly, while 7 acoustic guitars is a bit of a tight fit. And if you're like me, you don't want to risk having your guitars sitting too close where they could knock into each other and cause damage. So 5 acoustic guitars is a perfect fit for this particular rack. I'll leave some links to where you can find this guitar rack and read other customer reviews. If you like this review, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future reviews and how-to videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy playing.